What stood out to me, Willem, and if we can leave the longer-term infrastructure stuff aside and the government's plans over the entire Parliament of 5 years, the extra £175 billion, which is a historically large amount of money, what I want to do is tie up what we heard this morning in the City of London from the Bank of England and combine this, because this is very much, and seems very clear, a coordinated action today across both Parliament here behind me and indeed the monetary policy authorities in the City of London to really shore up confidence in the UK economy. Of course, this morning we heard enormous numbers thrown around, including up to £290 billion, which could be available for UK business from various schemes, from closing the counter-cyclical buffers for banks, which would release £190 billion, to adding in an extra £100 billion through the TFSME, the term funding for small and medium-sized enterprises as well, plus, of course, a 50 basis point rate cut, all of which means that a lot more credit potentially available for under-pressure companies. So that was the first part this morning. I would add, actually, the second part I thought came this morning was verbal intervention from both Andrew Bailey, the incoming Governor of the Bank of England, and indeed Mark Carney, the outgoing Governor of the Bank of England, that they would do whatever is necessary to shore up the UK economy. So that was parts 1 and 2. And then literally, found about 40, 50 minutes ago, Rishi Sunak, who is the brand new Chancellor of the Exchequer here in the UK, has been in the role less than a month. And I have to say, incredibly competent speaking, whatever you may feel about the content of his budget as well. He looked very assured at the dispatch box there, and basically talking about the response to coronavirus. As I say, he's still talking about the longer-term infrastructure plans for the United Kingdom in a post-Brexit future, but a 3-point plan. Let me summarise very quickly. 1, the National Health Service will get all the resources it needs, an initial £5 billion. Secondly, businesses and individuals will get huge amounts of support with statutory sick pay, and even when they are told to self-isolate, plus businesses getting a huge amount of money, including business rates being abolished for the smallest companies as well. That package worth £7 billion as well. So you add the £7 billion cost for business and for personal, the £5 billion for National Health Service, plus another £18 billion for the UK economy. That amounts to immediate coronavirus-related stimulus of £30 billion, plus all the other stuff we're hearing about now as well. So from the Bank of England and the Chancellor of the Exchequer, a huge historic stimulus for the British economy. Back to you.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.